We at Saral Designs are producing high quality and high filtration 3-ply surgical masks. Owing to the current challenge posed by COVID-19, it is very important to choose the right mask to protect yourself. The average diameter of novel coronavirus particles is around 120 nanometers, which cannot be seen through the naked eye. Selecting the right mask with an appropriate BFE can help avoid the virus from entering your body through your mouth or nose. Well, what is BFE? BFE stands for Bacteria Filtration Efficiency. BFE measures the filtration efficiency of a mask for bacteria of the size of 1 to 5 microns. Certified masks of BFE greater than 98% are more effective compared to other cloth masks or masks which are not certified. Let us show you how. We took 4 masks. 2 of them are local cloth made masks. One of them is a 3-ply mask which is uncertified. And the last one is Saral Designs BFE certified 3-ply surgical mask. To test how much air passes through the mask, we tried to blow matchsticks while wearing all the 4 masks. Face masks are supposed to be worn by patients so that when you sneeze or cough, your particles do not go outside of the mask. To test how much air passes through the masks, we tried to blow matchsticks while wearing all the 4 masks. As you can see, air passes directly through both the cloth masks. Even the BFE uncertified masks failed to reduce the airflow, and the matchstick was blown without any effort. But with our BFE certified surgical masks, the air does not pass easily, and it took some effort to blow the matchstick. Apart from restricting the particle flow, the masks are also supposed to be splash proof, which means if someone sneezes on you, the particles or the droplets should not enter from the front face of the mask, for which the front layer of the masks have to be hydrophobic. As you can see, both the cloth masks let water flow through them easily, but both the 3-ply masks, which are made of non-woven spunbond layer as the front sheet, are hydrophobic, which help keeping the inner layers dry and obstruct the flow of water from outside to inside. This makes choosing the right BFE and the right materials very important for your face mask. Having a melt-blown layer as a filter layer ensures high BFE in the mask. At the same time, a hydrophobic spunbond layer as the front layer obstructs water particle and cough particles coming inside. The lightweight design of these non-woven fabrics make it extremely comfortable to wear and easy to breathe. The nose wire ensures a tight fit on the face. Hence, it is very important to choose the right kind of face mask when you step out, and especially if you are in high-risk professions as healthcare workers or frontline workers. Hence, it is very important to know what raw materials go in your face mask and what kind of BFE certified mask you should be wearing.